Okay, good morning, all of you. What we have did in the last lab? What you have done in the last lab? You completed all four tables with insertion. Okay, all four tables, all students. Right. Good. Now open the syllabus first. Okay, now for the practical one, first we have created the tables, right? Then you have inserted the values into particular tables. Now already you are aware with this command describe. It is used to display the structure of any table, right? So describe table name. When you write the table name and run this query, you will get the structure of the table, right? You will get the structure of the table. This is describe. Now, as you know, select star from account. It will display all the columns and all the rows, right? All the columns, all the rows. Correct? You can see the screen. Now, for the to perform queries of practical one, you require few logic. Let me explain that thing. Then after you continue with that queries. Star, it means all columns. Remember, star, it means all columns. If you want to display particular few columns, then you can use particular column name. For example, if I want to write here account number, comma name, it will display only these two columns, account number and name. Let's run. You can see the output, right? Is it fine? Everyone, is it fine? Okay, fine. Now, your question, sir, can we display more than two column? Yes, you can. If you want to write all column name, even you can write. For example, balance and loan underscore taken. You can write all the column names, right? But it will display entire column. Instead of writing all the column name, you can use this star. It will be easy, right? Now, your next question, sir, if I want to display only few rows, okay, before going to that, let me write here. If I write here city first and then account number, what will be the output? I write city first and then account number, it will display data according to that city, and then after account number, whatever sequence you have mentioned in the query, it will be displayed in a similar way, right? So go for this one, practice. Okay, one more thing. Instead of star, here select star, right? If you want to display only few rows, for example, if you want to display those records whose city is equals to Mehsana, so you can write here one clause is where clause. Where is one clause, right? Where after that you need to write the condition where city is equals to M capital, and whatever you have entered in your database, that spelling you need to write. When city is equals to मेहसाणा, इट मीन्स जिसका सिटी मेहसाणा होगा वो आपको यहाँ पे रन करके देगा. यहाँ पे दो रो आ गई, So ये row filter हो गई. Suppose if I am writing here small m, then let's see the output. No data found because we have mentioned capital A. That's why I told you data are case sensitive. Column name are not case sensitive. Table name are not case sensitive, but data are case sensitive. Clear? So here it is the where clause. Here you can add any condition, right? Let's say loan taken is equals to I'm giving value you need to give in a single quotation y capital es, then it will give no data found. You can see on a screen in my table I have entered y capital e small and s small, so whatever data you have entered in your table, same thing you need to mention here. So I will get this row. So this is all about selected row. Now before this we have seen selected column, दो वेरिएंट हो गए. अब तीसरा सिलेक्टेड कॉलम एंड सिलेक्टेड रो. तो सिलेक्टेड रो का आंसर तो अभी है ही डिस्प्ले. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टार इफ आई राइट अकाउंट नंबर comma name, then it will be selected column. So here it will give selected column and selected row. In question, if they do not specify anything, then you can take any column name, any filtration on row, but on particular table. Clear? Do you have any query, any doubt? No? Then go for the practical one queries. 5 query है, 5 query आप perform कर लो and WordPad maintain करो. Word file, I will check all the word files one by one. Okay? Continue with your. Once you complete all five queries of practical one, then put a message into a chat so I can verify your word file. If you are having any query, any doubt, or if you are getting any error, then please let me know. Share your screen so I can resolve. Once you complete all 5 queries, put a message into a chat and share your screen. I can verify. Okay, how many of you have completed? ये 5 क्वेरी करने में 10 मिनट चाहिए, not more than 10 minutes. टेबल क्रिएशन इज रिमेनिंग और नॉट? आपके चारों टेबल क्रिएट हो गए कि बाकी है? इफ यू रिक्वायर टाइम देन प्लीज लेट मी नो. ओके, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ वन बाय वन. I Deep Fardu, what is your status?
यस सर, 2 के टेबल क्रिएट हो गए.
ओके,
वर्ड फाइल बाकी है.
वर्ड फाइल बाकी है. अभी 2 टेबल क्रिएट करने भी बाकी है ना? ओके ओके. आस्था, टेबल क्रिएट कर रहे हो? ओके. जय रामुलिया, टेबल क्रिएशन बाकी की हो गया है? मौलिक, टेबल क्रिएट कर रहे हो? नॉट राइट नाउ तीर्थ. नेम कमांड इट मीन्स विच नेम कमांड? मैंने अभी तक नेम कमांड सिखा ही नहीं है. अभी तक हम क्रिएट, इंसर्ट, डिस्क्राइब एंड सिलेक्ट 4 कमांड ही सीखे. अभी तक ये सिखाया नहीं है तीर्थ. एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच दैट थिंग राइट नाउ. इट इज इन अ प्रैक्टिकल टू. सो फर्स्ट अभी तो क्रिएट टेबल करना भी बाकी है. कीप सम पेशेंस. मुझे सिर्फ आपको नहीं पढ़ाना है, बाकी के जो भी बच्चे हैं उसको साथ में लेके पढ़ाना है, राइट? ऐसे तो कोई एक स्टूडेंट करके जाएगा तो बाकी के सब कंप्लेन कर देते सर एक को ही पढ़ाते हैं, व्हाट शुड आई डू? Okay, conclusion is that many of you have not created the tables. It means half two tables are created and two tables are remaining. So right now I am giving you more time. Then create all four tables, insert all the data into the table, and then perform all these 5 queries, right? And those who have created, they can do one activity, note down uh, for the college database how many tables we require and what will be the attributes of that table, columns of that table, कितने टेबल्स चाहिए, टेबल्स में कौन कौन से कॉलम लेंगे, उसकी डेटा टाइप क्या है, उतना उसमें रिकॉर्ड इंसर्ट नहीं करना है, उतना आप ऑन पेपर कुछ लिखो, ठीक है? ये एक्टिविटी दोज हु हैव डन ऑल दिस फॉर टेबल, राइट? ओके, you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask. Otherwise, you may continue with your work.